In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your notification settings on your UC browser. Let me show you guys how to do this. So let's not waste any time. Let's tap on the hamburger menu, bottom middle, and now we tap on our settings, bottom left. Let's tap on that there. Good. And now what we are going to do is we scroll to notification settings. Let's tap on that. Good. And on here, you can see push notifications. So you can turn that off if you don't want any sort of notifications from UC browser. You can do that. So just select any of them. I'm not interested in the content or it's disturbing any of them, and you tap on OK. And just into, you can just turn that off as well. Alert. And now site notifications too. If you have some sites you visit on here on the UC browser that you've given them access to give you notifications, you can also turn all of them off, or you can even delete them if you have some here. This is a new browser I downloaded, so I've not used it. And quick access to, you can use this to as well, so you can turn them all on and off. You see them on top here. You can just turn all of them off like that. So that's it on how you manage your notifications on UC browser. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like, you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on UC browser. You can check them out. That's it for the video. Peace.